This ever happened to you? You get in an argument with someone, and you just want to destroy them. Did you ever have an argument like that with someone in your head? That is a trap called emotional shadowboxing. Anytime you fight an imaginary with someone or fantasize about delivering rude speech to them, you are emotional shadowboxing. All this does is reinforce what you already believe to be true. You are finding ways to justify and shore up whatever anger, frustration or other negativity you are feeling, instead of easing it. In psychology we call this confirmation bias. Even if you feel you lost the opportunity to say something you really needed to, the opportunity will present itself again when you are ready. You can even make it present itself, as long as you can negotiate a resolution to your conflict.